Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Here we have KCSE 2020, a quadratic equation, and it is number 19. We are told Kering purchased 2x minus 1 identical pens for Kenyan shillings 180, and Araya purchased 3x plus 1 identical pencils for Kenyan shillings 200. Part 1 of the question, which is part A, write an expression for the price of 1 pen. Here we know the total cost, which is shillings 180 divided by the number of pencils. That will give us the price of 1 pen. So the total cost is 180. The number of pens is 2x minus 1. That will give us the price of 1 pen. Roman 2, price of 1 pencil. The same way, the price of 1 pencil is equal to the price of 1 pencil is equal to total cost divided by number of pencils. The total cost here is 200 and the number of pencils are 3x plus 1. So we are done with the first two parts of the question. Part B, a pen costs Kenyan shillings 4, 1 pen costs Kenyan shillings 4 more than a pencil. Form an expression to represent the information above and hence solve for x. Now here what you are supposed to do, we say the price of 1 pen, minus the price of 1 pencil is equal to 4. We know the price of 1 pen, which is 180 divided by 2x minus 1, minus the price of 1 pencil, which is 200 divided by 3x plus 1. This should give you 4. Then we need to remove these fractions. What we shall be doing is that we multiply by the product of this, which is the LCM, the product of this. Then that will give us 2x minus 1 bracket 3x plus 1. Then we also multiply here 2x minus 1 bracket 3x plus 1. The same will apply for the other side. We say 2x minus 1 bracket 3x plus 1. So this will cancel each other. Then we'll be having 180 bracket 3x plus 1 minus, this will cancel each other, 200 bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to, then here we need to expand. That will give us 4 times 2x into this bracket 3x plus 1, then minus 1 3x plus 1. So this will give us 3x times 180, 540x plus 180 minus 400x Then negative times negative will give us positive plus 200, which is equal to 4 times 2x times 3x, 6x squared, 6x squared plus 2x minus 3x minus 1, negative times positive, which will give us, we collect the like terms together, 540x minus 400x will give us 140x plus 180 plus 200 will give us 380. This will be equivalent to 4 bracket 6x squared plus 2 minus 3 will give us minus x minus 1. Then we open this bracket. That will give us 24x squared minus 4x minus 4. Then here we have 140x plus 380. So we want to form an equation so that we have one side 0. Then we need to transfer everything on this side. That will give us 24x squared, minus 4x minus 140x, because immediately it crosses the equal sign, it becomes negative. Now it is positive, minus 4 minus 380 will give you 0. So that will give us 24x squared minus 144x minus 384 will give you 0. Then here we can divide by 24. So if we say by 24 throughout, we get x squared minus 6x minus 16 will give us 0. Then here we have a quadratic equation. Then we can look for a number. When you multiply, will give you negative 16, and when you add, will give you negative 6, and that one is negative 8 and positive 2, because the moment you multiply, a negative times a positive will give you, one of them should be negative. So we say x squared minus 8x plus 2x minus 16 will give you 0. X out, what is common here? Is x out. So we'll get x minus 8 to x minus 8 is equal to 0. So we have x plus 2, x minus 8 is equal to 0. So x plus 2, 0, x equal to negative 2. We ignore this because price cannot be negative. Then we come here, say x minus 8 equal to 0. So plus 8 plus 8, x equal to 8. So the value of x is 8, and you'll get all your marks.